Welcome back, explorers. Today, we journey through Maryland, a state brimming with maritime history and natural wonders. A place where water and land craft picturesque landscapes. From the vibrant life at Baltimore Inner Harbor to the historic streets of Annapolis and the sandy stretches of Ocean City, to the wild beauty of Assateague Island National Seashore, Maryland beckons with its diverse allure. Grab your virtual passports and let's get started. Maryland, from bay to beach, history to horizon. Baltimore Inner Harbor. Dive into the heart of Maryland at Baltimore Inner Harbor, a bustling waterfront hub. Stroll along the promenade, dotted with shops, restaurants, and attractions. Explore the historic ships, museums, and the famed National Aquarium. Feel the vibrancy of urban life, a fusion of culture and recreation. Connect with the pulse of Baltimore, a harbor that never sleeps. Annapolis. Step into the sailing capital of the U.S. in Annapolis, a city steeped in history. Wander through charming streets lined with colonial architecture. Visit the prestigious United States Naval Academy. Savor fresh seafood by the waterfront, a true taste of the Chesapeake. Connect with America's maritime heritage, a city that sails through history. Ocean City. Embrace the beach life in Ocean City, Maryland's slice of seaside paradise. Walk the long, lively boardwalk, a carnival of fun and flavors. Dive into the ocean or enjoy the thrill of amusement parks. Bask in the sun on the golden sands, a summer dream come true. Connect with the joy of coastal living, a beach that caters to every whim. Assateague Island National Seashore. Experience the untamed beauty of Assateague Island National Seashore. Watch wild horses roam free along the windswept beaches. Explore the dunes, forests, and marshes of this pristine barrier island. Engage with nature's raw beauty, a sanctuary for wildlife and adventure. Deep Creek Lake. Retreat to the serene waters of Deep Creek Lake, Maryland's mountain resort. Engage in water sports, fishing and hiking around the lake's vast expanse. Cozy up in lakeside cabins, a perfect escape from the everyday. Witness the changing seasons, a year-round spectacle of natural beauty. Connect with the tranquility of the mountains, a lake that refreshes the soul. If you're new here or haven't done so yet, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our future adventures. Excited for what's next? On to the next experience on our list. Harpers Ferry. Explore Harpers Ferry, where Maryland, Virginia, and West Virginia converge. Immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of Civil War history and natural scenery. Hike trails with breathtaking views of the Potomac and Shenandoah rivers. Discover the storied past of this quaint, historic town. Connect with the crossroads of heritage, a junction of American narratives. Chesapeake Bay. Sail the waters of Chesapeake Bay, the heart of Maryland's maritime life. Delight in the iconic blue crabs and fresh oysters, a feast for the senses. Paddle through the serene tributaries, exploring hidden coves and marshlands. Witness the majestic lighthouses, guiding lights of the bay's rich history. Connect with the lifeblood of Maryland, a bay that binds land and sea. Frederick. Wander the streets of Frederick, a blend of historic charm and modern vitality. Explore the art, music, and culinary scene in this vibrant cultural hub. Stroll through picturesque parks and along the Carroll Creek Promenade. Antietam National Battlefield. Reflect at Antietam National Battlefield, the site of the Civil War's bloodiest single-day battle. Walk through hallowed grounds, a solemn tribute to those who fought. Learn about the significant impact of this historic confrontation. Experience the quiet solemnity, a landscape marked by sacrifice and hope. Connect with the echoes of history, a field that shaped the nation. Catoctin Mountain Park. Escape to the peaceful realms of Catoctin Mountain Park, a haven of natural beauty. Hike trails through verdant forests and past cascading waterfalls. Engage in camping, fishing, and wildlife watching in this serene setting. Find relaxation and rejuvenation in the great outdoors. Connect with the harmony of nature, a park that offers refuge and adventure. Maryland invites you to discover its rich tapestry of experiences. From the historic battles and maritime traditions to the tranquil beaches and lush mountain landscapes. From the culinary delights of its waterfront towns to the cultural richness of its cities and towns, Maryland offers a journey of discovery and delight. Thank you for joining us on this captivating voyage through Maryland's wonders. Until next time, keep exploring and turning your destinations into experiences. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For more detailed experiences and exclusive travel deals, visit TripJive.com. Until our next adventure, stay curious and keep exploring. Thank you for watching.